Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms in Los Altos, California, Zone 9B. Get ready for your top 5 summer fillers.
5. Daucus carata, known as chocolate lace flower. We sprinkle these seeds in late winter or early spring. Orlia comes first, and then our chocolate lace flower follows.
This is Cicericium. This tall yellow beauty not only self-sows, but takes next to no water. We actually don't have irrigation back here. She makes a great summer filler, and she arrives to us in late May, early June. Welcome to our Status patch. Status is a great summer filler as it's very easy to grow. We can grow it in all different colors, and it can be used readily fresh or dried for later use.
2. Straw flower. It starts to bloom here late in May, and it continues to go through October. Straw flowers have exceptional vase life, and if you harvest them early, you can dry them for projects such as flower crowns. Quick head farmette secret. We're actually able to overwinter both Status and straw flower here at the farm, which makes for one less job of having to sow these babies from year to year. And our top summer filler, 1. Saloia. So many varieties and forms to choose from. There's definitely something for everybody. Our favorites are vintage rose and terracotta.
And that's a wrap. Your top 5 summer fillers. Charmaine Turbow here at Turbow Farms. Hope you liked our video. Like us, subscribe to our channel to learn more about how we're growing rainbows at our little microflower farm to you. Flowers or bust.